What's up, guys? I got my DIY diesel heaters here. This one I ran last season, and I'm currently working on a new one here. This one, I'm gonna get rid of this, put a little fuel container in here. This is gonna go straight out here. As you can see, it's powered by my DeWalt battery. So I can get rid of this, and I can get rid of this. And hopefully it'll be all in this one case here. But yeah, thank you to Not Overland Tech for the help with the DIY stuff. He's got some really cool builds. You should check out his page on Instagram. But yeah, this is just my little setup, and it's worked very well.
Start heating.
Got it running on the lower setting here. Pretty nice heat coming out of this thing. Pretty good deal. And it's drawing, let's see how much power, about 16 watts. I bet you we could drop that down the lower I go here. Dropping it down, I think I can get that lower there, but not that much power. A nice heat.